Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for vendor contract renewals. This platform is a game changer, and I'll show you why. First up, you'll want to set up a new board specifically for your vendors. This way, you can keep all your vendor-related tasks and contracts in one place. Now, this is crucial because it allows you to stay organized and have a clear overview of all your vendor contracts. Once your board is set up, it's time to add your vendors. You'll do this by creating a new item for each vendor and filling out the necessary information. This includes things like the vendor's name, contact information, and contract details. This helps us because it ensures that all the information we need is easily accessible within the platform. Next, you'll want to set up automations for each vendor to keep track of upcoming contract renewals. The reason we do this is to avoid missing any important contract renewal deadlines. With Monday.com's automation feature, you can set reminders for when a contract is due for renewal. This will help you stay ahead of the game and ensure that all your contracts are renewed on time. Now that we've done that, let's talk about the importance of keeping track of your interactions with your vendors. Monday.com allows you to log all your communications with your vendors, making it easier to remember important details and decisions. Let me explain why this matters. Having a record of your communications can be invaluable in case of disputes or misunderstandings. Finally, don't forget to regularly update your vendor board. This includes marking off contracts that have been renewed, updating contact information, and adding new vendors as necessary. The reason we do this is to ensure that our vendor board is always up to date and accurate. And that's it. That's how you use Monday.com for vendor contract renewals. With this platform, you can keep all your vendor contract renewals organized and never miss a deadline again. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.